What's going on? How y'all doing? Welcome to the channel. We go by the name of estyshop. I'm gonna give you some basketball tutorials. How you gonna, basically go to the hole faster or stuff like that. If you guys new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Check out the merch. Tattoos tell the story. You get a discount, 15% off. So let's get right to it, man. This move is quick move, simple move. Just go right hand. So you're gonna fake your opponent like you're going left. You draw on this way. So we pivot left. So you go. So you fake left, but you go right. Now the same other way, so if you fake right and go left. So you can do it. Bring it behind your back real quick. So so we're gonna do this again. You want to fake left. So basically fake left and go right. Another move you could do is a floater shot. So you can just go fake right and then fake float. Show it again. Time. That shot right there, you basically fake right and you go middle. It's good for when you got a taller defender and they're good at blocking shots. Alright, here's another move you can do. Step back, shot, pull up. So with that move, you basically bring it behind your back, you step back, you pull up shot. So if you've been working on your mid-range shot, you can pull up. Now here's a good one for a three-point shot. Fake. See? Fake right. Hit him with the pivot. Pull up. LeBron does that a lot. Kobe does that a lot. Michael Jordan. Some of the greats. Fake right. Flat. It's a good shot. Alright. Another good shot is, of course, I know you've probably seen this, is you will go fake left, but you bring it around under the hoop right. So it's all right, good. Boop. That's like if you want to get real fancy, Turn out a fancy shot is a lot of work. So fake left. We'll do it again for you. My people in the back. So, fake right. A nice quick move shot right there. Another one is a turn around, look back. They see you behind you, turn around, pull up. That's a bad shot. Only use that shot if you got like super confidence in your jumper. You pull back. You gotta have super confidence in your jumper. So we'll give you all some freestyle looks with some of my basketball moves. shoot with confidence, y'all. You gotta shoot that joint. Confidence. Three-pointers. Those some of my professor moves. Y'all know Professor and one. And that's it, y'all. Those are my basketball videos. I hope you guys like this workout and training videos. If you're new to my channel, please consider like and subscribing. We got a lot of content like this on the way. And yeah, peace. Have a good day, y'all. Estyshop.